Hi, I'm currently learning the Godot game engine, and I thought it could be fun to share with you here on the channel some of my experiments and learnings. So for today I've prepared you a little shoot 'em up. We're going to improve that game a little bit still in this video. I hope that sounds fun. Let's dive into it. So we have here a start screen with a start button. Then we have at the moment one level. On the left our spaceship, we have 3 enemies, and we have also a spawn rate and so up to 3 rockets that we can shoot at the enemies. We can see that here with detail how it's designed. Then we have the player itself, our little spaceship. We have the first enemy, which looks like this here. Then we have a rocket. We have a game over screen with 2 buttons to try again, to quit, and we have a leaderboard there displayed. The background is a nice image at the moment, as you can see here. And then we have a second enemy, which is called boss, because first I wanted to design that as an end boss, but now it's a second enemy that spawns. And yeah, then if we want to start to take a look how this runs at the moment, let's click on the start button, and you see that we basically need to shoot those little enemies which have 2 lives. Then once we shoot them twice, they disappear. And the idea is that we don't get hit by the enemies which move towards us. So that is kind of the game at the beginning here. Now if we want to improve it, what we can do is we go into the enemies, and an enemy is basically a scene which contains 2 nodes here, an animated sprite 2D and a collision shape 2D. And there's also an attached script to the enemy. And the idea is now basically that the enemies get bigger and bigger the longer you don't shoot at them. So when we look into the Godot documentation, we see that both the animated sprite 2D and also the collision shape 2D inherit from the node 2D. And with that we can also make use of the properties of node 2D, and one of those properties is scale. So we can take advantage of that property basically to increase the size of the enemies the longer the game runs and we don't shoot at a specific enemy. That's the idea that we want to implement here now. So let's go back into our code. Now we go into the process function, which runs on every frame basically, and we add those 3 lines now here. 4 lines. The current scale. Then we will set the new scale to both the animated sprite node and the collision shape node. And we also increase the move speed a bit so that the enemies get also faster the longer we don't shoot at them. So we will make them basically bigger and faster the longer they stay on screen. That's the idea behind the few lines of code that are being added here. What we need to make sure is also that the enemy is getting bigger, but also the collision shape around it, right? So that we can touch it basically also on the outer line basically of the image. Otherwise we would still only match against basically the image size that we had before if we don't increase also the collision shapes. And under the debug mode we can also display basically the collision shapes. So let's do that now and play one little round with the debug mode on for the collision shapes. And you can see now that also the collision shapes are actually increasing during that size. So the image gets bigger basically, but also at the same time the collision shape. Okay, so all working as expected. Let's turn off again the debug mode. Now let's start again. And now we have the game as we wanted to implement it, basically that the enemies get bigger and bigger the longer we are not able to shoot at them. You can also see that the spawn rate decreases. So they are getting enemies spawned every time faster here. And after a certain amount of points we will also see now here actually the second enemy type, which is a bit faster than the first enemy type. And let's see how long we can survive. Not long anymore, and now they got it. So that's the idea that we wanted to implement today. Hope you liked this little session. And I will play just one other round. And that's one for you. And here you go. See how many points we can score here. Yeah, I need to survive a bit more. And I'm down. So, hope you liked this little game. Until next time.